Hey y'all, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today we are back in the kitchen and tonight we are cooking up some chicken quesadillas. I'm gonna go ahead and tell you now, this is not a very elaborate, hard, made from scratch recipe. This is my easy weeknight go-to recipe. So we are keeping it very, very simple. I like to brown my chicken whole and then I slice it up. I know a lot of times people will slice it up raw from the beginning, but I don't know. I just like to brown it whole first, then slice it up, and you'll see here it's not all the way done. But we're gonna put it back in the pan and we're gonna let it finish cooking and get all the way done. Now this is where it gets super easy. I don't have my own mix of spices. I am just using a regular store-bought pack of taco seasoning. I think this was the Great Value brand that I used on this day. And I like to go ahead and mix it up with a little bit of water, and that way the seasoning kind of dissolves a little bit in the water, and then when you pour it in, it helps you deglaze the pan from cooking the chicken. So yeah, I'm showing you right here what I used. I do want to make my own taco seasoning one day. I've just got to look that up, find some good spices, and then make sure I've got them all on hand. So we let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes on just low heat, letting it simmer until it thickens up some, and then we're gonna get ready to assemble our quesadillas. First, I like to toast my tortilla a little bit on both sides before adding my meat and my cheese. So I do that, and then I add my meat and cheese to just 1/2 of the tortilla. And today I'm using Colby Jack. That's a really good cheese to use. Of course, you could use any kind of Mexican blend if you wanted to, but that's what I'm using tonight. And we're gonna fold it over and get that toasted on either side really good. That just kind of helps to melt the cheese and heat the chicken back up real good. And that's it. That's all it takes. When you don't have a lot of time to spend in the kitchen, cooking, putting together some nice gourmet meal, this is a great alternative. It is so quick and easy, and it's filling too, and very, very much a kid-friendly meal as well as adult-friendly. So it's a win-win for everyone. Now it's time to plate it up and serve it, and this is where the options are endless. I like to use a pizza cutter to cut my quesadillas. I just think it gets a very nice clean cut. For my kids, I normally just serve this with a little bit of ranch dressing. They like to dip theirs in ranch dressing. This one is mine, and so I'm gonna top it with a few pickled jalapenos and a little bit of salsa and a little bit of ranch. But There's so many ways you can do this. I have topped it with pico de gallo, fresh pico de gallo, and sour cream, salt and pepper. There's just so many toppings that you could put on here, but this is what I'm using tonight, and it turned out delicious. It is so, so good and so filling and so easy. So drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought about this. Let me know how you like to eat your quesadillas. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Those things really help my channel to grow and help me be able to do more videos like this for you in the future. I hope you have a great day and take care. Bye, y'all.